Hey, this is Eric from AHA. Today I get to show you our new Fist to 5 voting in whiteboards. If your team is safe or safe-ish, this one's for you. Check it out. Okay, here I am in a program board. We actually have a whole tutorial about how to run PI planning from start to finish in whiteboards using these templates. Check it out at the link. But right now we're at the end of the session, right? Been a great 2 days. We've got a great plan, I think. Time to get everyone's confidence vote on it. So instead of just counting fingers, which is not a great use of my time for an entire Agile release train, I'm going to click this sidebar and open the voting session here. Start a new one. I'm going to make it the Fist to 5 type. And then click go. All right, you can see I can add more time here. I can vote myself. We spent an incredibly long time looking at different icons, hands. So I really hope you like these. And then I could end the session myself. Normally there would be 50 to 125 people in here. So let's show you some results that are a little more believable. This one's got about 9 or 10. Okay, most people are excited about the session. Marley's got some concerns. So this is great. This is where we get Marley to stand up and talk about our concerns. We'd address them, we'd vote again, and move on with the increment. And that's it. Whether I'm doing PI planning remotely or in person, doesn't matter. Fist to 5 voting just works. Enjoy.